Welcome to the best picks. The best solar pond aerator is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for a large pond ecosystem, ensuring sufficient oxygen levels, preventing algae blooms, and promoting a thriving aquatic environment. This video will guide you through everything you need to know before buying one, from understanding the different types of aerators to considering factors like pond size, budget, and maintenance. Number 5. Lancoon Solar Air Pump Kit. It's solar-powered, so it's environmentally friendly and saves you money on batteries and electricity. Enjoy clean energy for your aeration needs. Its angle can be adjusted for optimal sunlight absorption. You can place it on the ground or mount it on a wall for convenience. It offers strong bubble, gentle bubble, and cycle on-off modes. This ensures it can meet your specific aeration requirements. It's perfect for fish tanks, pools, ponds, and aquariums. Keep your water healthy and well oxygenated. It comes with one long air tube. You'll need to cut it into the number of pieces you need and connect them using the Y connector. The kit includes a 2.5W solar panel, an air pump, air hoses, and air stones. Everything you need to get started. What we like. It's solar-powered and environmentally friendly, saving you money on electricity. The adjustable angle ensures optimal sun exposure for efficient aeration. With 3 working modes, it caters to various pond sizes and needs. If you're looking for a versatile and eco-conscious solution, this is it. What people say. Easy to put together, pit in the sun, stick in water, and the bubbles flow. I set up an experimental solar hydroponic system using 2 5-gallon buckets. This solar pump is powerful enough to aerate both buckets. The panel is large enough to keep the aeration going for quite a while. When it worked pretty well. A little weak for a serious pond, but just right for my 7-foot backyard water feature pond. I really like the idea of having a battery inside the solar cell, so that the unit runs at night. Number 4. HQUA PAS-20 Pond Aeration System. This system is designed to keep your pond healthy and thriving. It increases the dissolved oxygen levels, leading to clearer water and a reduced risk of fish kills. It's perfect for larger ponds, providing efficient aeration even at depths of up to 65 feet. It's powerful yet energy efficient, using only 6.2 amps. The high-efficiency, oil-less compressor ensures quiet operation. You'll enjoy the benefits without the noise. Everything you need is included: 2 100-foot air hoses, diffusers, and all necessary fittings. It's ready to install right out of the box. It's built with high-quality materials, including durable EPDM diffusers and stainless steel bases. This ensures years of reliable performance. The system is designed for easy installation, even for beginners. The clear instructions and included components make setup a breeze. What we like. This system boasts a powerful compressor capable of aerating large ponds up to 3 acres. It's built with high-quality, durable components for long-lasting performance. If you have a large pond and need reliable aeration, this is the choice for you. What people say. Easy to set up, was about 50 yards from the house and never heard it run. Worked great up to a few weeks ago. The PAS-20 pond pump works great and helps keep the fish active and plays an important role helping to control algae. Bought for 3-4 acre farm pond we recently stocked with fish. Been running for about a month now with both aerators, works great and pond looks better than ever. Pump is very quiet. Number 3. Kasco VFX Series Aerating Fountain. This beautiful fountain combines stunning aesthetics with practical functionality. Its unique V-shaped spray pattern creates a captivating display while keeping your pond clean and healthy. It's incredibly easy to set up and maintain. Simply plug it in and enjoy the show, no complicated wiring needed. It's designed for energy efficiency, operating at a fraction of the power used by other pumps. It's also highly effective at aerating your pond. It's built to last with high-quality, stainless steel components and a submersible motor. Plus, it comes with a 2-year warranty. Optional LED lighting kits are available to further enhance the beauty of your fountain. Choose from color-changing RGB or warm white options. What we like. It's not only a highly effective aerator but also creates a stunning visual display with its V-shaped spray pattern. Installation is a breeze, and it's energy efficient, saving you money on electricity. If you want a beautiful and functional aerator that's easy to set up, this is perfect for you. Number 2. 12-watt Solar Aerator Kit. Keeping your outdoor pond or pool well aerated is easy with this pond aerator. It's powered by a 12-watt solar panel, enhancing the health of your aquatic environment. This aerator comes with 5 air stones to circulate water and add dissolved oxygen. It's perfect for ponds, tubs, or troughs, and works well with other aquatic accessories. Harness the power of the sun and save money. It runs solely on solar energy, eliminating electricity costs. This makes it a cost-effective solution for pond maintenance. It works efficiently without electricity, ideal for any outdoor location. No batteries or power outlets are needed. It's a truly convenient and independent system. Installation takes only minutes. It works as soon as sunlight hits the panel. The kit includes 5 air stones, a 12-watt solar panel, a DC pump, and flexible tubing for easy setup. What we like. This solar-powered aerator is incredibly easy to install and requires virtually no maintenance. It harnesses the power of the sun, saving you money and reducing your environmental impact. If you value convenience and low maintenance, this is the ideal option. What people say. It works great and I feel it saved our fish. We had a lot of pollen and this helps keep a certain area clear and allows the fish to breathe. 5 bubblers, air pump can feed them all as long as you follow instructions and limit their depth to 2 feet or so. Very quiet, very effective, very nice. It's a whisper quiet, easy to use aerator that is quite powerful with direct sunlight. It is not as strong in indirect or low light and pretty much stops pumping well before sunset. IDO appreciate the long cord between the solar panel and motor while the tube lengths are great as well. Number 1. NFESOLAR 15W Solar Aerator. It offers 3 aeration modes, strong, soft, and cycle, to suit your needs. With a long-lasting battery and 2 outlets, it provides even air distribution throughout your pond. This solar-powered aerator is completely wire-free and environmentally friendly. The adjustable solar panel ensures it captures maximum sunlight. With its built-in rechargeable battery, it can run for up to 48 hours on a single charge. Just make sure the solar panel gets plenty of sun. It's small, lightweight, and easy to move. Perfect for fish tanks, ponds, hydroponics, or even taking on a fishing trip. It operates quietly at only 50 dB, so it won't disturb you or your fish. Just remember to keep it dry and out of the rain. What we like. It features a long-lasting battery backup, ensuring continuous aeration even on cloudy days. The dual outlets provide even air distribution throughout your pond. It operates quietly, so you can enjoy the peace and quiet of your outdoor space. If you need reliable aeration with minimal noise, this is the one for you. What people say. I installed it without needing any instructions, it's plug and play literally. Solar panel is simple and flat so you can keep it on any flat surface really, unless you need to mount it, in which case also no instructions required, lot of hardware is included for those who need it. Really amazing product, good research on the battery, makes a huge difference as it can work day and night and can go for 100+ hours on cycle mode. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.